negative 37%, negative $1,723 in my Roth IRA. I'm rich, bitch! March 12th, 2020 is historically the worst day, the single biggest drop, which we can look up right here. 2020, Black Thursday. It's right here. Minus 10%. Second worst day was the 9th, 3 days ago. Third worst day was yesterday. Then it goes, fourth worst day was less than a month ago, dropping faster than it's ever dropped before. So we're going to buy more. It would have been great to put it in this morning. We didn't. So because it's historically the worst, quickest drop, lowest price ever, we're going to deposit $500 to the current year. 500. Continue. One-time transfer. Bank. Roth. Confirm. Pending $500. The thing I find most interesting is Domino's Pizza is my strongest stock. It's not even down. It's barely being affected by the virus. Then Kroger, which is food company, makes sense. Campbell's is food company. General Mills, food company. People got to eat. But what better time to invest money than what's at a 100-year historical low, the worst drop in history? If that's not the time to buy, then I'm going to lose $500. But probably not. There's only two outcomes. Everybody dies, or, like history shows, we're going to move past this. We'll cure whatever it is, and we'll just move past it.
They said I won't be nothing. Now they always say congratulations. They ain't never had